You're not stupid. The fisherman is fishing outside of the molo. Yeah, guys. Hello, guys. Be safe. Stay here. Yeah. Hola, 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 hola. And it's not a few of them either. It's a lot. It's a bunch. It's a whole family meeting. Gosh, the whole marina is completely filled up with fishes. And the guy out there, he don't get anything. No, he tries. Yeah, that's how it is. There's a lot of food in here. A lot of nice boats too. And it's different kinds of fishes. Wow, it's so big. It's like an aquarium. But it's not. Good meat in this one, but I don't want to eat you. No. You're safe. You see them down there? Yeah, they are here in the marina still. I see them very often in here, under beneath the boats. Oh, look at that one, it's a big one. It's hiding under the boat. It's many. It's 10 of them out there, wow. So big